Sa ating lipunan, ang pagkakaroon ng hanap buhay ay isang paraan upang ipakita ang pagiging independent ng isang tao. Ito din ang nagbibigay ng self-worth sa isang tao upang maramdaman niya na parte siya ng ating lipunan. Meron nga ba silang mapaglulugaran? Mga kaagapay, meron. Dito yon sa Mango Tree Resto, Bonifacio Heights. Tara, tingnan po natin sila. Dito sa Mango Tree, ang mga kapatid nating may mga Down syndrome ay binigyang oportunidad na maging staff ng food industry. Tunghayan natin ang kanilang kwento. Let's experience service with a special smile. Nakapanayam ko ang owner ng Mango Tree kung saan may programa silang Down for Thai. Let's meet Mr. Eric Teng, isang advocate for PWDs. Hi, Mr. Eric Teng. First of all, I would like to congratulate you po on your second year anniversary. I heard instead po na mag-celebrate tayo with party, naisip niyo po na mag-partners with different foundations here in the Philippines?
It started last year. Nung mag-celebrate kami ng first anniversary namin, pinag-isipan namin anong gagawin namin events, and normally ang pinag-isipan party. And then we thought of, instead of just celebrating with a party, bakit di naman yung parang may community social activity kami. And we thought of tying up last year with Project Brave Kids. And that was yan ang first anniversary namin. So this year, on our second anniversary, we were talking again kung anong gagawin sa event this year. And we still want to do the same thing. Paano tayo makakatulong?
May I know po, bakit po DSAPI? Meron ho bang special spot in your heart ang DSAPI?
A friend of ours, one of our consultants, siya yung nagsabi sa amin about the Down Syndrome Association of the Philippines. And we thought, we've always known na ang Down syndrome children, for example, marami ginagawa na they're productive in other countries. Nagtatrabaho sila, they're part of society. Kaya we thought, bakit di natin subukang maging part sila ng restaurant industry? So, nag-usap kami, we thought, pwede kaya silang turuan mag-serve ng food. Turuan sila about Thai cuisine. Turuan sila about bartending, about customer relations.
And for you, Mr. Teng, this is your giving back time. Meron po ba kayong gustong ikwento about it?
Itong group palaging puro hugs.
Okay.
Very huggy, very lovable, very happy. And they always want to be friends, masayahin na bata. Kaya natutuwa kami, hindi namin in-expect ang response ng customers and ng mga bata ay magiging ganito, na ang magiging impact sa kanila, magandang experience sa kanilang lahat.
May I know, Mr. Teng, ano po yung next project natin?
Awa sana ng Diyos, meron na namang third anniversary and maka-participate na naman kami kung ano man ang mga community social services na pwede namin gawin. Hindi lang naman po sa bata, maybe senior citizens, marami naman pong may papakita o ma-share.
Magpasalamat tayo sa mga taong katulad ni Mr. Eric Teng na naniniwala sa kakayanan ng mga kids with Down syndrome bilang bahagi ng food industry. po si Nicey na nabigyan ng task bilang isang receptionist. Hi, Nicey. Hi. What have you learned so far?
Just put the line on the table and I will take the kiss.
Okay, so are you happy working here?
Yes, I'm really happy to work here from 11 and 2 o'clock.
From 11 to 2 o'clock?
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. There really is a place for everybody in this world. Kahit sino ka man, kahit anuman ang kalagayan mo sa buhay. Ang mga kapatid natin na natunghayan ngayon ay isang patunay na hindi hadlang ang kanilang disability para makahanap ng marangal na trabaho. Sabi ko nga, you just have to know the right people to talk to, the right places to go, and in my case, the right place to eat. At dito yon sa Mango Tree, kung saan makikita ninyo ang kakaibang service with a special smile. Ako po si Donna Lim. Kami po ang inyong kagapay!